Gold and black. Couple of singles to start. On the drive through the gap. At least a couple out towards the rope. Ball versus fielder and ball wins. So Callis' first boundary. One apiece. Nice weight transfer there.
She plays her cricket up in the north with the Diamonds, Sterre, so they're a very strong looking side.
Shot to finish. Callis into double figures in style. End of 5 overs. Tornadoes 38 for 1.
So far.
A terrific back foot shot. We've seen Callis drive, now we've seen a cut.
Well, what did I say before about some of her play and her strokes on the offside? We've seen a lovely cover drive. We've seen a play where there's any movement or any room that she's given that offside. We've seen some deft dabs down to third as well.
About keep your head over the ball, watch it onto the bat. Sometimes not. Delightful chop backward of foot. That'll be 4. Wow. Extraordinary timing.
Well, just great timing. She's very patient. She waits for the ball when she needs to. Sterre Callis again favouring that offside. It was quite close to the body that time, but she managed to adjust. And just terrific placement. Played around the world a little bit, played for the Queensland Fires, played club cricket in Tasmania and in England as well. Lovely stadium.
Carrie Chan on for over 3, and Sterre Callis. Well, I've had enough of defending this. That is a delightful strike to bring up the 50 partnership.
Absolutely glorious again from Sterre Callis, who's just been all class. Gee, she's played some classy shots, and this is one of them. Straight down the ground. Chan, nothing she can do about it. She's bowled really well so far, but this time Sterre just took her on and came down the wicket.
Oh, a little bit quicker, brilliantly bowled. And Babette the lead completes a wonderful dismissal. Top class cricket.
Top class cricket, and seeing too the associate players put on their best. Some terrific bowling. That's been a great innings by Callis, and wonderful work behind the stumps by Deleed. Went down the ground again. She took it quite a way to her right. Good reactions. Excellent work.
So, after the fall of that second wicket,